Should I continue?
Yeah.
The Lion King, one of the most beloved and well-known movie brands of all time. It's back, and this reboot will offer an opportunity for a whole new generation to embrace these iconic characters and this story in a bold new way. The film, which is a reboot, of course, of the 1994 animated hit, has already made $23 million, and this is, of course, US dollars, on its opening night, which was Thursday. That's a day before yesterday, right? Yeah, $20 million on one night. Analysts are expecting it to make around $150 million in the North American box office by Sunday. That's tomorrow. 2 days, three days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days, and that's $150 million US dollars. Beyonce, my cousin, and Donald Glover, Seth Rogen, Chiwetel Ejiofor, I don't know how to pronounce it properly, I just always try to, just to name a few stars, are in the film. However, the film faces some challenges, including mixed reviews. I don't know how you forget mixed reviews, and The Lion King is like a proven story. Anyway, fans of the original are questioning the need for the remake. Tell me, why would you be sad that there's another way to watch this movie?
Because we've gotten so, we've romanticized the first version. So we don't want a remake because it's going to take with this and it's going to show this and.
Okay, yeah. Here's the comparison that I have for you. Do you not like the Broadway version because you've seen the animated version? No. You love it, same way. So just let them give you another way to see it. It's just another way in which you can watch it. So how about we just go with open minds, guys. Watch it, see what comes of it. Stop shaking it. You go. And enjoy it, right? And then we can talk about it after.
I mean, I guess I like Lion King, so I'll probably go and watch it.
Of course you like Lion King. How can you not like Lion King? But don't know if them are going to live up to it, but we'll see.
Exactly.
But we'll see.
That's the thing.
But go with an open mind. You can't go in there and be like, oh,
And
you're
if
not
we're
going
going
to
there
be
in a
nice.
nice, they're going to cuss.
No, it's going to be good.
Okay. Well, this one is very interesting. The International Wife Carrying Competition. Sorry.
Why? What?
Okay, no, it's just an image flashed in my mind.
Of you carrying somebody really heavy?
This is a contest in which male competitors race while each carry a female teammate, more than likely their wife. The objective is for the male to carry the female through the special obstacle track in the fastest time. The sport was first introduced in Finland. Couples from over a dozen countries, Australia, France, Germany, took part in the annual race. The race stipulates that the woman must be over 18 years of age and weigh at least 108 pounds. That's not bad. Despite the event's name, couples don't have to be married. Okay, you don't have to be married.
You can just borrow somebody's wife if you feel like it.
Okay.
My question to you is, why them choose that?
It's technique. It's technique.
So that's the better way?
Yeah, man, to wrap.
To go back ways and have her wrap her foot
this
this way?
Technique. That's the technique.
That?
Yeah, man. So she wraps her leg around the neck.
Then
and she hold.
supposing all of the running, natural things occur,
Then it just happens.
and she's hit with a wave.
Embarrassment better than gas pain.
It's just, I can't. No, I'm not putting myself in that position for you.
No,
I'm sorry.
Embarrassment better than gas pain. So.
I'm sorry, I'm not good.
So male contestants could steal a neighbor's wife.
I'm sure not in the sense that you're thinking, but I'm going to borrow them just with them lighter or something.
I think we should do this in Jamaica.
I was wondering how come we never do this and smile? Like, how come never carry Simone and Okay, I come in to talk to you, Miss D. Cause guess who I'm gonna carry her?
That flash comes from my
Yeah, we're gonna do that and smile. I am going to petition that we get that done on smile.
Oh
yep. What's our next one? Well, Montego Bay is expected to, business leaders and tourism stakeholders in Montego Bay are expecting a major financial boost from the staging of none other than the annual Reggae Sumfest. The event is being held over 7 days from the 14th of July to the 20th and will be highlighted by, the big stage show on the 19th at Catherine Hall and the 20th. Now, Montego Bay's Mayor, Councillor Homer Davis, told JIS News that the Jamaica Tourist Board sponsored event is expected to generate $12 million in earnings for the city. That sound good? 12 million US dollars. He noted that 8,000 visitors who will be staying in hotels, villas, and guest houses are expected to make the pilgrimage into Montego Bay for the star-studded event. So I know that the performance started last night, but them did have parties all through the week. And of course, among the artists who performed last night are Chronix, the king of the dancehall, Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, Spice, and our blue ear, Agent Sasco, Dexter Daps. I don't even know who named Squash, so don't beat me up. Don't beat me up. I don't know.
I learned about it this week.
Spragga Elephant Man, Munga Governor, and of course, Dovey Magnum. So, if you have enough energy and enough money, pick up yourself, drive, go down safely, please, and enjoy the rest of Reggae Sumfest because it's still going on and it's going to be awesome. Greatest show in the world, they call it.
Oh, you don't know who named Squash?
Why don't stop it? Why not expect that I'm supposed to know these things?
Wow.
That's it for the trending topics, guys. More to come on Weekend Smile. Let us know how you feel on all our social media topics. We will be back, so don't go anywhere.